Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I want to show you something very important. If you want to install or download an APK to your Android TV, in this video, I'm going to show you what to do and the best web store to install your APKs with confidence or without fear to your Android TV. So this is going to be a wonderful video, and I would recommend you watch right up to the end. If you find the video helpful, do us a favor, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. That's it, let's get started. Before we continue, here is a quick reminder. If you are browsing on Smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I would highly recommend using a VPN. This is because a VPN helps protect your privacy, it secures your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN because it is fast, reliable, and works smoothly on TV devices. In the description of this video, I've added a special link that you should check it out and create an account. That's it, let's continue. So here's my Android TV box that I'm using for this video, and also I'm using a USB mouse to navigate, to make it easy for me to navigate instead of my normal remote control. So every tutorial I'm going to do is going to be on this TV box, and if you want a TV box, if you want to upgrade your Android TV box or change your Android TV box, in the description of this video I've added a couple of recommendations for Android TV boxes that you can use. So without wasting any more time, please let's get started. So on your Android TV, if you want to install an application or an APK, what you need to do is go over to your browser. So you can use your system browser or any other browser. So as you can see on my Android TV, I have a couple of browsers. I have Google, I have Browse here, I have Browser, and so on. But when I want to install APKs, I always Google Browser. So I just want to start by showing you how to install an APK or how to download and install an APK to your Android TV. It is very simple. So for instance, if I want to install an application like APK Time APK, what do I do? How do I download an APK without using any other platform other than my browser? So what I do is I go over to my browser over here, and what I do is, if it's your Google browser, you just go over to it and type in the name of the application you want to install. For instance, I want to download and install APK Time. So I'm going to type in APK Time like this, and what I'm going to do next, since I'm looking for an APK, I'm going to end it with APK. So I'm going to start by showing you how to download and install an APK to your Android TV. So as you can see, there are various options here, and this is what I mean by web store. For instance, Softonic is a web store, Malavida is a web store, FileHippo is a web store, apktime.com is also another web store, and there are a couple of different others. So how do you install an application from here? It's simple. Now these are different web stores, and the one I'm going to be using is Malavida. So just go ahead and click on this, and this is how it should look like. Click APK Time app download, and as you can see, it's going to bring us to this page where the download page loads. As you're downloading, you can just go ahead and click download, and the application is going to start downloading. After a while, you say, do you want to download this again? So I'm just going to click download, and now it has downloaded. So for instance, I can click open here, and then I'll be able to install the application to my Android TV. Just as simple as that. I can open it for you to see how it is working on my Android TV. So I've showed you how to use your browser to download and install APKs to your Android TV. So that is the first step. Now the next step is that, how do you know that the site you are downloading an APK from is trustworthy, or you should use it to download an APK? So anytime you go over to your browser, let's try with another application. Instead of APK Time, let's do another app. For instance, if I go over here, I type VLC, and same formula, APK. So this is basically how you can download APKs to your Android TV. Just go over to your browser, type the name of the application, and then end with APK, and then search. But type VLC APK, you're going to see different options. Now this is not APK, this is the Google Play Store. I'm doing this with assumptions of applications that are not available on the Google Play Store. So once you search, you see this is Softonic again, this is Up to Down, this is Malavida. If you browse down a little bit, this is APK Miro, this is Android, and so on. So what I'm basically showing you is just different web stores on the internet that you can download APKs from. And what I want to show you is which one is the best in my opinion, or which one you can confidently download APKs to your Android TV. The reason I'm doing this is because once you're browsing on the internet, it's not safe, and if you go over to the wrong site, you might get your information stolen, or you might download viruses to your Android TV. That's why you have to be very careful while using web stores like this. It is very, very risky. But for starters, the very most secure store for Android TV users is Malavida. So if you're searching for any APK on your browser like I've done, and you see that Malavida has an option, then that should be your first choice if you want to download that APK with confidence or without fear of downloading a virus. Malavida is very secure. Now I've used Malavida for a long time now, and I just used it a couple of minutes ago to download the APK application. So I can also use it to download VLC here. So you see the process is still the same. I go over here, this is VLC, I click download and it brings me to another download page. Now if that APK they are searching for does not have Malavida, the second most trusted or the second most secure site is Softonic. Softonic, for me, Softonic comes after Malavida. So Softonic for me is the second trusted site if you want to use to download APKs from your browser to your Android TV. Softonic is the second. My only problem with Softonic is that it has a lot of ads and it wastes time compared to Malavida. But nonetheless, you can always use Softonic to get the application. Now here's Softonic. You see it takes a lot of time just to load. The third on my option on my list is up to down. Now up to down also can work for your Android TV, but the only problem with up to down is that most of the applications on up to down are not designed for Android TV. So on up to down you can download applications and at the end of the day it do not work on your Android TV. So that is my only problem with up to down. Here's it. Let's just click and try. So for instance, VLC here, all of these are APKs. So you see this is VLC. Now VLC is an Android TV app, so you can download over here, but you can search for some APKs on up to down and download to your Android TV and they never work on your Android TV, even though it shows here that you clearly downloaded it from up to down. So but nonetheless, if you don't have Malavida and there is no Softonic, then up to down can always be an option. If these three options are not available, then there is a question mark about the application, and wherever you download it, it might necessarily not work on your Android TV. But nonetheless, there are some worthy mentions or some sites that I'll mention. We have APK Mirror. I think it's somewhere down here. Let me just browse down using my mic. APK Mirror can always work sometimes, but I will not fully guarantee it. There's Android, Android, and so on. But for me, the three best web stores that you can always confidently download the applications from in order. The first is Malavida. The second is Softonic. Here's it over here. And the third is up to down. If any of these three are available, download the application. If they are not available, please, the application might not necessarily work on your Android TV. And that's it about this video. If you learned how to install APKs and where to install them from, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.